Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. And today we are diving into the top current affairs from this week. National Update 30th September to 6th October. To hear suo motu case on Kolkata junior doctor's rape and murder tomorrow. WCD Minister Annapurna Devi to visit Ranchi to attend closing ceremony of 7th Rashtriya Poshan Mah 2024. NIA conducted searches across Amabera area of North Bastar district, Chhattisgarh. India-Kazakhstan joint military exercise Kazan 2024 begins. Air Marshal Amarpreet Singh takes over as new IAF chief. Jharkhand Governor and Union Minister Annapurna Devi inaugurate 11,000 Saksham Anganwadi centers. TRAI releases consultation paper on digital radio broadcast policy for private broadcasters. CBI arrests 26 key operatives of global cybercrime network involved in fraudulent activities. Legendary actor Mithun Chakraborty to be honored with Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Indian Army to host Chanakya Defence Dial Oak to 0-4. Indian Navy to embark on second edition of Navika Sagar Parikrama expedition on 2nd October. India's manufacturing sector witnesses 7.4% employment growth in fiscal 2020-23. Credit in agriculture and allied activities registers growth of nearly 18% in August. IMD forecasts no significant rainfall expected over northwest, west, and central parts of country. 8th edition of India-Kazakhstan joint military exercise Kazan 2024 commences in Uttarakhand. Centre approves 675 crore rupees fund to flood-affected states of Gujarat, Manipur and Tripura. Delhi police bans protests, gatherings in various parts of Delhi till 5th October. Kho World Cup to debut in India in 2025. Government launches PM E-Drive scheme to boost electric vehicle innovation. Niti Aayog launches first state chapter of Women Entrepreneurship Platform. SEBI announces new framework to curb excessive speculation in stock market. Centre releases relief amount of 5,850 crore rupees to 14 flood-affected states. CBI organizes regional meeting to combat tiger trafficking. ED summons Mohammad Azharuddin in money laundering case linked to Hyderabad Cricket Association. MSME Ministry boosts wages for Khadi workers, announces discounts on Khadi and village industries products. 2024 edition of Annual Apex Level International Conference IPRD to held in New Delhi. The orders sit to investigate into allegations of adulterated ghee in Tirumal Tirupati Prasadam. Government approves 10,103 crore rupees national mission on edible oils to boost self-reliance in oilseed production by 2030. Centre approves 1 lakh rupees crore for PMRKVY and Krishonati Yojana to boost sustainable agriculture and food security. Union Cabinet approves 63,246 crore rupees Chennai Metro Phase 2 project, expanding city network by 119 kilometers. Cabinet approves payment of productivity-linked bonus of 78 days for 11.72 lakh non-gazetted railway employees. Cabinet approves India to join International Energy Efficiency Hub by signing letter of intent. Haryana, over 61% voters exercise their franchise for 90-member assembly elections. DRDO successfully flight tests 4th generation very short-range air defense system. International updates 30th September to 6th October. Tropical storm Krathon heads for Philippines, South Korea prepares for potential typhoon impact. Russia intercepts 125 Ukrainian drones across 7 regions. IDF kills senior Hezbollah commander Nabil Koch in Beirut airstrike. Russia launches drones at Kyiv. US President Joe Biden approves $567 million in defense support for Taiwan. Sri Lankan government decides not to divest stake in Sri Lankan Airlines. WFP launches emergency operation to aid people affected by Israel-Hezbollah conflict in Lebanon. WETEX 2024 begins in Dubai. Former Netherlands PM Mark Rutte takes over as NATO Secretary General. IMF delegation to meet Sri Lankan officials to discuss economic recovery plan. G7 aims to finalize $50 billion loan for Ukraine by end of October. Nepal government to release 1 billion rupees for disaster relief fund to expedite flood rescue and relief operation. World Green Economy Forum launched in Dubai. Russian troops take complete control of Wuhledar. Tigers and other animals die in Vietnam zoos. International Film Festival on Environment and Wildlife, Vatavaran, inaugurated. IMF delegation reviews progress of Sri Lanka's economic reforms. Israel confirms Iran's attack on some of its air bases. Sell 40 megawatts electricity to Bangladesh via India under tripartite agreement. EU votes for higher tariffs on imported electric vehicles from China. Israel strikes central Beirut. US discusses potential action on Iranian oil sites. Union Minister Piyush Goyal and US Commerce Secretary co-chair India's CEO Forum. Intensifies its attack on Lebanon by striking Tripoli. Pakistani government decides to hand over security of Islamabad to Pakistan Army. WHO approved the first diagnostic test for MPOX. Sports updates 30th September to 6th October. BCCI inaugurates National Cricket Academy in Bangalore. Day 3 of India-Bangladesh Kanpur test called off due to wet outfield. Gulveer Singh wins gold medal in men's 5,000 meters race at World Athletics Continental Tour. Second test, Bangladesh ends day 4 at 26 hours in second innings against India. ISSF Junior World Championship, Indian pair clinch bronze in shooting. Cricket, Bangladesh to resume their first innings against India on fourth day of second test match. Football U20 Asian Cup, India defeats Laos in Group G match at Lao National Stadium Kilometre 16. Junior World Wushu Championship 2024, India won 2 gold, 1 silver and 4 bronze medals. Second test, India defeats Bangladesh by 7 wickets. Parth Mane secures double gold at ISSF Junior World Championship in Peru. Women's T20 World Cup kicks off in Sharjah. Indian rugby teams set for Asia Rugby Sevens trophy in Nepal, led by captains Shikha Yadav and Mohit Khatri. Indian Super League, Odisha FC to take Kerala Blasters FC at Kalinga Stadium. Inter Miami defeats Columbus by 3-2 in Major League Soccer. Global Chess League kicks off in London, top players like Carlsen, Anand, Nakamura to compete. Tennis, Carlos Alcaraz defeats Jannik Sinner to win first China Open title. ICC bans Sri Lanka's Praveen Jaivikrama for breaching ICC anti-corruption code. Indian trio wins gold in men's 25m rapid-fire pistol at ISSF Junior World Championship. India to face New Zealand in Women's T20 World Cup 2024 opener. Global Chess League kicks off. PBG Alaskan Knights dominate defending champions in opening match. Youth Archery Championship 2024, Vaishnavi Pawar clinches silver medal in recurve U18 women's team. ISSF Junior World Championship, Devanshi secures her second individual gold in women's 25-m standard pistol. Women's T20 Cricket World Cup, India lost to New Zealand in Dubai. Golf, end of title wait for Angad Chima, clinches Vizag Open title. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.